What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little something different, but it's always the same. Let me tell y'all what I got going on. All right, as you can see, well, I don't know if anybody can see it, but not quite at work. I kind of took vacation from work to come home and work. And I rented some things and the guy just dropped them off. There you go. We got a link belt and a 75-2 Kubota. I think the link belt, I can't remember what size it is, to be honest with you. Zoom out here. 145X. I've run one link belt before. It was quite a bit larger than this one. And I've never run a Kubota skid steer, so we're gonna see how that plays out. But the link belt looks pretty good. I'm not sure what year it is. It's a zero turn, they call them a spin ace. The boom and everything will pretty much tuck and it'll stand almost straight up. But project at hand, redoing the driveway. We got to put some ditches in. There's some dirt up behind the house that needs to be moved, and all this down here I have to throw some screenshots in of what this looked like. We got some bad rain a couple days ago, and all this down here plumb up to right in there where that dirt is, it's all flooded. Eventually these are gonna have to come out. Probably put two of them in it and double it. But anyways, I'm gonna check these things out, and we're gonna get up here and fire it up, and we're just going to take them right to the top of the hill, and we'll go from there. All right, I got y'all mounted up there, but it's only held on by a magnet, so I don't know how well it's going to work. So fall down, I'll find somewhere else to put you. Anyways, we're in the link belt. We're going to fire it up here and see what she's got. It's a quiet little thing. Turn that down because I can't hear that. Nothing but static. Wow, throttle's there. Good on this side over here. Air conditioner. We definitely gonna need that. So I'm gonna adjust this seat down a little bit. I feel like I'm sitting way in the air. Got an air ride seat, got a little spring or something. Nah, we'll mess with it later. All right, we do have a blade, quite a good size blade for a track hoe. I hope y'all don't fall down. She's quick on her feet. I'm going to be real surprised if that magnet stays up there. Or if it stays up there, magnetized like that. Rox form phone cases, people. They work great. Let's see it mounted up there. It ain't nothing holding it but the magnet. We're gonna crank her up and play just a little bit. Yeah. And then we got power lines that dummy. I gotta watch them. Which one's the? Oh. Thumbs on a button, not a trigger like ours at work. I have to get used to that. the Kubota now. This is the 75-2. And I can tell you right now, cab wise, I like it way better than the Cat that we have at work. Way more leg room, elbow room. Look at this. Look at all the room you got in here. And then you can see out behind you. Let's just hope this thing impresses with the power. So if y'all fell down in the track hole, so we're gonna try to find a place to put you in here. I think it's may have a little more secure spot. So let's see if we can get y'all mounted and get up the hill. Figure it all out here. It's the first time I've ever been in one of these, so horn works. Take some getting used to. I feel like a rookie. Oh, what that noise is? It's making that racket. see what we got going on this morning. I forgot my phone inside, so I forgot to do any recording. So got my nephew helping me out today, and we've been over here at the house working on the. I done a little bit last night, but I stripped it all down and redone it, and it's got a little bit of rock in the middle of it right now, but it still needs to be gone back over 2 or 3 times and graded out. But we did work on the bottom of the hill down there a little bit today too. Worked on a little bit of the ditch work. I still need to come up this side of the road, and I still got to go around the edges of the bank here. And I've done some work here, tried to redefine my ditch line and everything. And another road is going to head up that way. Still debating on whether or not I'm going to pull that stump out. I really think I'm going to have to get my ditch where I want it. Because I got water that's coming from this way, and that's the reason why you see all the silt and dirt sitting out here. And it shoots right across right there. So I think I'm going to pull this stump out because I don't know how well it shows on camera. It's not wide enough here to put a ditch in and still be able to get vehicles up it comfortably. So I think I'm gonna pull that stump out. I think it's enough room there that it ain't gonna bother them roots not too awful bad. And I'll come back and I'll put some dirt back in it because I know it's gonna leave a pretty good sized hole there. There's a few stumps in that tall grass there. That's what he's doing, is going down there and peeling them out. And we're gonna peel that whole hillside back and get the dirt out of it that we need. And then we're going to take it to the bottom of the hill right down there because it's a bad little swag in it down there. We're going to try to take out some of the steepness of that hill down there. So that's what we got him working on. I bumped the tree there a little bit by accident. Let's see here. Oh, I don't think nobody will know. I'm gonna redo this side over here too. I'm gonna go get on the skid steer here in a little bit and kind of dress all this up. This through here is gonna have to be gone back through again. It's just, you can see it's all wavy and everything. I just used the blade on that to push it up through here. But so far the machines are doing good. The kubota still surprises me on how much room it's got in it. Same thing my nephew there saying, it's got quite a bit of room inside of it. Where he works at, they have a rubber tire cat. And he said it's awful with room. Maybe it's just a cat thing, but they got him picking out some stumps. Got some good dirt piles that's going on. He's been back here doing some work, filling in some holes and digging up a few little stumps and knocking out some trees a little bit. But all this, we're gonna try to get all this dressed up too, so there's quite a bit of stumps in there I need to pull out. Master. What do you think, Bobo?
This stump sucks.
Should have had your track turned the long way with your blade out.
Yeah, it probably helped, wouldn't it?
Don't bust the hydraulic hose on this damn thing. Hey, it looks good though. I ain't gotta yell at you out of the thing down, but it does. It looks good though.
Not really.
Yeah, because now you can get on it with a skid steer and knock it down the rest of the way.
Part of it anyway.
But see how you got this kind of going on here? That's how I want it all the way down. I ought to better get a lawnmower on this thing and mow it. I feel like being on YouTube might make you famous.
Maybe.
I think you need to start a channel for your tobacco farming when you get it going.
Maybe if it'll ever take off.
Poor man backer farming. Put him on a mission to dig a stump out, and I had no idea that that stump was going to be inside. He has opened up the hole right there. Will it still not move? Get lower. Now curl. Oh, she wants to. Come hit it right here a few more times. We could cut this hillside out a little anyways. That stump needed to come out. Now track. We just gotta work at it, I guess. Dummy. see if we can catch back up here. It's been, seems like it's been a while me trying to make this video. Got a few things come up, but everything kind of looks like a mess. Not really anything's changed. We did manage to get this little bit of hillside here cleaned up. I just come through here. I did put a little culvert in right there and a rough cut down on both sides here. So I'm gonna go jump on the kubota and see if I can come in here and kind of ditch this out a little better. It's gonna be difficult here because I don't want to get in them roots of that tree there too much. But that stump there, I was gonna try to pull it out, but I got to messing with it and it ended up being the roots and everything. It was entangled with this other one, so I left it alone. But the culvert's kind of narrow, but it'll work for now, just so we can get the ditches running, water running down the driveway the right way. So I do got some more work on both driveways I gotta do over there. I gotta finish the ditch over there, which I'll probably try to do some of that. This little roundabout here, throw some dirt in there. See right through here we got most of this done, but right up there next to the skid steer, right where my fingers up, we're gonna go back in there and probably shave that off some more. But one of the kids left the drain plug on the pool open, so down there at the bottom is muddy. So we're having to wait for it to dry up. So I'm gonna get over here and straighten some of this up, make sure all the water's going the right way, and continue on. We got a mess, but we got to make it look bad before you make it look good, I guess. Right, all right. We got, well, I got most of this stuff kind of just roughed in, flattened out. It ain't got to be just perfect for my taste. So, like I said, the culvert's a little narrow. I'd like for it to come out a little further on both sides, but I need to get some fuel for the skid steer, so I'll clean these two out. I get some fuel. I almost covered my pipe up there. I didn't get a whole lot of cover on this end, but I'm gonna shovel that out. And I tried to make this transition more of the road kind of going straight instead of turning, and kind of it's just, I built all this up underneath me here, so the water will kind of go that way and be forced into the pipe instead of running that way. So, but what I was talking about, I kind of built the road, kind of made it look like it was straight, and then added the turn into it instead of it being a turn and then throwing the straight piece on it. So I think it'll work out better, hopefully. Only time will tell. I still got to go around all that side over there and redo all that. But this week is supposed to be hot, so I'm hot out here now. I just got the machine. I ain't even got my hat on today. So we're gonna go get some fuel and we'll come back. And I don't know how long this video is yet on recording wise, but I'll see what it looks like and we'll go from there. All right, here we are again. A little later in the day. We're gonna try to get a lot knocked out. And see, you got the lights on. It's getting dark out here. We got quite a bit to do, and I only got about 2 days left. So we're gonna try to work into the night. We're gonna get this stuff cleaned up. We're gonna get the driveway cleaned up. We're gonna get ready for some rock, and hopefully the rock will be here tomorrow. I smell something dead somewhere. Oh well, so hope the rock will be here tomorrow. If not, hopefully it'll be here by Wednesday, so we can get the rock on the road. But we're about to hop in the link belt here, and we're gonna go and start cleaning some stuff up. Got some dirt piles need to be moved. Might walk down the yard here and help Bobo out cleaning up stumps. I got my kids inside trying to go to bed, so we'll stay away from the house. But we're gonna hop to it, see what we can get done real fast. little bit. Took out a couple little trees that needed to be gone. I got a few more up there that need to be moved, but right now I'm gonna just walk right down here. I got a stump I got to pull out. Then after I pull that stump out, I'm probably gonna walk on down to down the driveway and work on it a little bit. You see, it's getting pretty dark out. I don't know, maybe darker here than what it shows on the camera, but yeah, there's that stump right there. Is that little knob. Then we're gonna go down this side of the driveway down there. I gotta finish my ditch going in. I really need to finish my ditch and stuff up here, but I'm not as worried about it. I just need to get that down there fixed first. So, and there's no good place to mount this phone in here anywhere to get any good video footage. So I'm gonna do the best I can to see if we can get this stump out. Alright, let's see if we can get this stump out. I got a lot of it already dug out, so it shouldn't take much. I dug it out whenever I was over here and I knocked the tree down. So. Skid steer to come over here and push it off the wood. Maybe I can get some of these sticks out of here at least. Most of it out. You did see my little propane tank back there, didn't you?
Huh?
The little propane tank up against the house.
Let's see, where's it at?
It's right up, it's down toward the air conditioner.
Dude, that's something you probably gone.
You didn't hit it, did you?
I didn't see one. I fucking bugged
man.
Nah, I'm fucking.
Alright, I don't know how good the video is gonna be, but it's got dark on us, it got dark quick. So I'm gonna do this video until I can't video no more. The lights on this thing ain't the greatest. It's got two lights. It's got the one on the boom, it's got one over here on the steps. So it's not the greatest thing for seeing, but we're gonna try to make it work. Gonna ease our way on down the driveway and see what we can get into down here. scrape it up later tomorrow when I can actually see a little better. Just getting a tad bit too dark to see to do anything. Oh, hang on. Well, I didn't know the video quit, and I was just plugging away and trying to get the ditch done, or cut in at least, so I can finish it up tomorrow. And I took down a little tree on the side there. Y'all can tell it's got pretty dark or so. Kind of see out in front of me a little better there. He's over there cleaning up. The lights on that thing's way better than what it is on this, so. He's been cleaning up the yard. I got some trees and stuff back here I'll take out, but this is might be the last night he could help me for a while. So I got these in here laid out, and I'm gonna get this jumbled up. I'm gonna take it up to the top of the hill and see if we can get him to push it down the hill for us. See if I can get y'all set up down here in a good spot. Maybe it'll keep recording the whole time this time instead of cutting out. So. Get in my hillside there too much. It's just getting real too dark. I mean, you can't see nothing unless the lights are on, or the lights are out in front of you. Blade up here a little bit so we can walk up here. Oh, y'all probably can't see nothing. I can't see nothing either. I just hope we're headed in the right direction. All I'll see is green tree limb. I can see a little better now. Good. It broke it for me. I didn't know it was sticking out there that far. So that'll work. That'll work. I'm glad I done that. Not having a progressive length thumb is really taking some getting used to. I'm used to being able to curl the thumb all the way under and grab whatever I needed and not have to curl the bucket back to it. But on this, you got to curl the bucket back to it just enough to catch whatever you need. So. Lights down here long enough just to take the trees down. Slicked up, looking good. My shop hopefully is going to go up here one day, so eventually, well, sooner or later, all these trees are going to come down. So, what's wrong with it? Might sit here and go ahead and plug a few of these down if I can. about that. Oh, it's hard for y'all to see. That tree there is a big one. Dark, you can see. I need to push it this way, I think. We gotta roll a barbed wire right there. Put a bunch of dirt on the fence and roll a barbed wire. On that thing now. I need my blade. I mean, I wasn't intending on just taking these out yet, but turn around. That's all it is to it. Well, it's getting later and getting tired. We're still gonna hang around and do a little more, but I think I'm gonna cut this video off here. I know it's probably been all over the place. I've been trying to get video done, but we've had a couple of things come up. Had kid's birthday party, had grandma passed away. We had to do her funeral and everything, so we're cutting it close on getting everything done. We got today's Monday. We got 2 days left to get the rest of this stuff cleared, what I want cleared, the rest of the driveway. I think I can finish the driveway up tomorrow, and hopefully I can have some rock in here tomorrow or maybe by Wednesday, so I'd show y'all what everything looks like. I would spend it much because it's just how dark it is. You know what I see basically where I got the light shining, so we'll let him poke around up there a little more. We took some trees down, but we'll come back tomorrow, finish it up. I'll probably be the only one out here tomorrow. Nephew up there, he's probably going to go off, and I think he's got to go help his uncle do some things. So, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I apologize it took so long to get it out. I've probably been in the making of this video for probably a week and a half now, so I know it's took a while, but doing the best that I can and with the time that I got. So if y'all enjoyed it, y'all hit that thumbs up button, and if y'all ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can see how this home project turns out and see what it's like when we get back to work. So I thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all later.